You're grounded. Yeah, I knew it. Cause, uh, cause you rage at Simon Says. Yeah, or I'll go in my room. You asshole. What was that? What was that? Nothing. Can I go in the kitchen? Yeah. Go in the kitchen, then go in your room. Cause you're grounded. Yeah, whatever. Asshole. Yes. I remember I gave Redbird a rotten orange before. This time we give him a rotten ice cream cone. Ah, yes. The ice cream cone. Yes. Alright. Got the ice cream cone. Been here for like 5 years. Yes. I don't know how ice cream cone stays for 5 years, whatever. Alright, Dad. Here's an ice cream cone. Oh, thanks, son. I might actually have to unground you for this. Mm. Ugh. What? Ugh. Ew. Ew. Ugh. Ugh. Ow! What was that for? You eat your ice cream is disgusting. It's been there for 5 years. What? How's ice cream stay for 5 years? Whatever. For that, you're grounded. Oh, try me. Here. I'm gonna beat you to death with this ice cream cone. Ow! Ow! Now I'm gonna shove it in your mouth. You're grounded.